So this is the Wholesome all-wheel drive, the new Hypergo model, the newest one that they've released. And let me just say right off the bat, I mean, obviously just looking at it, it looks amazing. This is the second shell that they include. It comes with a black and white one also, but I just love this gold. And I have to say that this is honestly true RC level. For a smaller RC truck, this thing is unreal. Let's just get to the bones and bears of it, whatever the hell that saying is, because they've made a lot of changes. All right, look at this thing. Now, I have the previous iteration, the H14B here, and this is the same. It's a Hypergo. It's a 3S. It's one that I've upgraded myself, and you can see I've added an aftermarket fan. I've changed the fluid in the shocks. I've added different upgrades here and there. And this has the paddle tires on here, which this one also comes with these paddle tires. So that's really cool. But just look at this thing. Comes with a nice beefy motor, and it even has an ESC fan on there. If you can see, that's a fan. Does not usually come with that. Nice fan for the motor, nice beefy motor here. And then you see they've actually got the transmitter receiver in a box here, and big old start button, power button. Top of that, you got a metal, or aluminum chassis brace. Okay. And then look at the arm lengths. They strengthened them by making them one piece, as opposed to the old style of like the old hollow. They're all solid axles now, which make it a lot stronger. And they've also upgraded the battery model that they use, because you can use different batteries in this car, but the ones that they send you, I think, are by far the best. So look at this thing. This is a big old cube, but it's a 3S 2000 milliamp battery. And this car is so quick. It's unbelievable. You have to get it. When you get it, tip one, and you can see it right here. When you first get it and you run it, it's going to be quick. But you're going to be like, that's not 50 miles per hour. What you have to do is you have to press this little set button 5 times when the motor's on, when the unit's on. You press it 5 times, you'll hear a triple beep, and you'll see that red light here flash. And once that stops, your speed is unlocked, and it literally goes twice as fast. So be ready, because it hauls ass, and it takes some skill to keep that thing going straight when you're at top speed. So it's a lot of fun. I'm an RC car enthusiast, as you may be able to tell, and honestly, this is my new go-to Mini. This thing is just awesome. Oh yeah, by the way, they upgraded to a full metal body, which is really nice. As you can see, the older generations, plastic. So just everything on here is what you would want, and honestly, I just can't keep raving about it. This thing has just been so fast and so fun. So, all right, y'all. Cheers.
here.